Going on to question number 12 now. Let's imagine that we are going to graph this. We could, of course, do it on Desmos, but let's give it a try the old-fashioned way. So now this is a variation on y equals 6x plus 2. The less than sign simply means that we'd be shading below. And of course, less than and greater than are dashed lines. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to are solid lines. So let's figure out y equals 6x plus 2. That's, of course, in mx plus b format. So our slope is 6, which is really 6 over 1. And that's our rise over run. So this thing is going to be going up 6 and over 1. And our y-intercept, our b, well, that's 2. So let's start at a y-intercept of 2. I'll tell you from the beginning, this won't be to scale. And if we go up 6 and over 1, we will be at the point 1, 8. Going up 6 and over 1 again. 2, 14, and continuing it, 3, 20, 4, 26, 5, 32, and just a little bit more here, 6, 38, and 7, 44. Let's imagine a little line going through all of that. There we have it. And if it's less than, not less than or equal to, then we need to make sure it's a dashed line, because less than or equal to would have been a solid line. Okay, now, like I said, having it be less than is the idea that we're shading below. So let's go ahead and put some shading in here. Okay, it's about as beautiful as I can make it there. Okay, so now which of these sets of points could fit into here? So when we're at 3, for answer choice A, y is at 20. And this point right here is exactly 320. So if this is a less than inequality, then we'd need to be below 20. So we know because of that point right there, this won't work. 316, on the other hand, would be clearly below this. But when you get to 536, at x equals 5, you'd be above. So right now we have a problem with the 536 on answer choice B. Now looking at C, 316, well, that's this point again right here. 528, well, that'll be around here somewhere. And 740, that would be around here somewhere. So this is looking great. And just to round this out, let's look at answer choice D. 324 would be at x equals 3, and y would be higher than 20, so that would be right there. And we can easily get rid of that one. And the answer here is C.